In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide or disable Telegram Story. If you'd like a cleaner chat list or just want to stop seeing stories from certain contacts without blocking or unfriending them, this quick guide will show you how to do it on both mobile and desktop, and how to undo it later if you change your mind. Start by opening Telegram on your mobile device or on your desktop. On mobile, look at the top of your chat list. You'll see a row of circular story icons from your contacts. Find the contact whose stories you want to hide. Press and hold their story circle until a small menu appears. Then choose Hide Stories. This action only affects what you see. It doesn't change your chat with that person, and it doesn't send them any kind of alert. On desktop, open Telegram and look near the top of the app. Next to the global search bar, you'll see the story circle there as well. Right-click the contact's story circle and select Hide Stories from the menu. Just like on mobile, this quietly removes their stories from your main view. After you hide a contact's stories, Telegram moves them to your Archive Chats folder. Think of Archive as a tucked-away space where hidden stories live, separate from your regular story row. This helps keep your main feed uncluttered while still giving you a place to manage what you've hidden. A key point for peace of mind: contacts are not notified when you hide their stories. It's a private preference on your account, so you can curate what you see without worrying about awkward notifications. If you ever want to bring someone's stories back, it's easy to reverse. Go to your archive folder. On mobile, press and hold the hidden user's story. Then tap on Hide Stories. On desktop, use the same idea by opening the archive and using the context menu to access the Unhide option. Once you unhide, their stories will return to your main story row at the top of your chats, just like before. A few quick tips to make this smoother: the exact placement of the story circles can vary slightly depending on your device, but the Hide Stories option will always appear when you press and hold on mobile or right-click on desktop. If you don't immediately see the archive, scroll through your chat list. It's a standard folder that Telegram keeps accessible. That's it. Thanks for watching.